We've never been more in tune with our wellness needs, and most of us are turning to nutritional supplements for good reason. But not all supplements are created equal. Knowing the quality of what we're putting into our bodies is where the difference lies. Premier Research Labs goes beyond what's required by the FDA. Our team is thoroughly trained in quality control and assurance. From the raw materials we procure to our testing protocols in each step of manufacturing, down to the machinery that ensures the entire process is clean and contaminant-free. Every year, we receive the highly coveted USP and NSF certifications through extensive third-party testing, confirming our commitment to quality. Whether you're a consumer looking for superior supplements or a brand looking for a manufacturing partner you can trust, we invite you to experience a new dimension in nutritional excellence. To learn more about Premier Research Labs products and services, visit prlabs.com or call 800-325-7734.